Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure the Apple Watch Ultra 2 has at least 50% battery or is docked on its charger, and that your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network with Bluetooth enabled. Once done, free up roughly 2 gigabytes on the watch if storage is low so the update can download. You do this because interruptions during transfer cause failures. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap General, then Software Update to start fetching the update. With the update downloaded, you let the Watch app transfer the package to the Ultra 2. Keep both devices within a few feet so Bluetooth and Wi-Fi remain stable. The watch will show preparing, verifying, then installing. This sequence ensures integrity and prevents corrupt installs. Make sure your watch stays on its charger and your phone remains unlocked. If prompted, enter your watch passcode. You monitor progress until the device automatically restarts and shows the new watch face, or after restart, verify the update by going to Settings, General, About on the watch to confirm the new watch OS build. Then check key services, Apple Pay, Siri, and Cellular. Because some settings may prompt re-authentication, re-enable what you need. If the update stalls or the watch is frozen during install, try a force restart by holding both the side button and crown until you see the Apple logo, then retry the update from the Watch app. This fixes most mid-install hangs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.